Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Chazaya. You can call me Vita. Yes, just like I told you that we are dealing with Excel, that is Microsoft Excel. Yeah, some of the importances of Microsoft Excel: it helps in making report cards, filling some forms. Yeah, so today I'm going to teach you how to make report cards using Excel. I've made some report that I'm going to use as an example, and let's begin. So I started just like I told you in my last video. We talked about the terminologies of Excel. So you're going to hear me use such terms like workbook, worksheet, a cell, an active cell, range, things like formula, things like a function, things like cell reference. You're going to hear me talk of such things. So let me start. Let's go straight out to the point, and that is how to make a report. So I started, I automatically you're going to first go and open up the Microsoft Excel. Then they'll bring for you it's going to be a table that is empty. So you're going to start filling it. You start with you fill in that this is standing for the student's number. You fill in the student's numbers, then the name. You type the names. Then I've used some subjects. I've used SST, English, Science, Mathematics. I've used the short forms. So you type in the marks for each student. Then automatically you're going to calculate the total. You calculate the average mark. You calculate you get the position and the grade. And for the total, I used the function for sum. When I talk of for the total, I use the function for sum, and this is a function I used. I said that for I want to you can look at it from the formula, but I said this is equal to sum. So I had to select the first cell. Then I I selected the first cell. Then I dragged, selected all, and that's how I came up with what you're seeing here. And after that, I just pressed enter, and they gave me the total. And after that, I didn't need to suffer. I just when I do this and do this, that is what they call autofilling. Automatically, you're going to get everything that is everything is going to be autofilled. Then the next thing I had to look for the average mark. For the average mark, I also used a formula, and this is the formula the function that I used. I said equals average. I used the total, so I chose the total. Then I said out of four, because they were four subjects. I said out of four. Then I closed the brackets. Then I clicked on enter, and they brought for me the average mark. So I used autofilling. Then for the positions, I used rank. It is also a function. I used rank. I said this is you press equals, then rank. Then for positions, I used the totals. So you use the totals just like that. I've done it here for rank. And after that, you press enter, and you're going to get the first position. Then you can just autofill, and automatically you're going to get the rest. Then I had to look for grades. For grades, I used the if function, and I know most of you have been hearing of the if functions a lot. And for I graded according. I chose one subject as an example for grade, and that is I chose SST. So this is the if function that I used for SST. So I said this is equals to if open brackets. I click on the cell. So this is the cell where you're seeing the plus. So that is the cell. Then I'm like less or equal to 90. Then I put a comma. Then I open the quotation marks. I put the what it is standing for. So I said less or equal to 90, that is an A. Then I put a comma. Then I said if I opened another bracket, I put the cell. Then greater or equal to 80, that is a B. If for the same cell, still remember I'm using the same cell so that it grades all of them. So I said it's the same cell. I use the same cell, greater or equal to 70, that is a C. Then for F, the same cell, that is greater or equal to 60, that is a D. Then F. Then I think you're noticing this. I think you're seeing that brackets are more than one. You For the brackets, these last brackets, you have to make sure they're equal to the brackets that you open. So if you check I open, this is the first bracket, the second bracket, the third bracket, the fourth bracket. So automatically these brackets also have to be 4. And then you enter, and it's going to give you the grades depending on the mark that mark where it lies exactly. So if you can see that the 78, where they give us, it is greater than the 70. So that is a C. And automatically you don't have to do this for all this. The moment you put it in the first one, you just come do this, then autofill. Automatically when you autofill, you get automatically when you do this, it just automatically autofills itself. It's just that I'd already done this. So I want to automatically, I know I've been saying things like autofill and you're already saying this field. So I'm going to use this for the best mark and the lowest mark to help you get to know what I meant by autofilling. So for the best mark, I'm going to be looking for the best mark and lowest mark in each of the subjects. And that is SST, English, Science and Mathematics. So when I'm going to start with my best mark for SST. So I'm going to say equals. I'm also still going to use a function that is equals. Then I'm like max. This is max. This is open bracket. Sorry. This is sheet open brackets. Then I'm going to set or then close brackets, then enter. And automatically if you check, you don't have to first look out or observe to get the highest, the best mark. No, you just need to use the function and everything is so quick. Then for the lowest mark, I'm going to say equals, that is mean, open brackets, select the cells. Oh, sorry. Let's begin afresh. Because this is mean, open brackets, then close brackets, then enter. And you're going to see they're going to bring for you the lowest mark. So I've been talking, you don't need to do all this for the rest. What you just have to do is what I've been talking about, and that's what they call auto-filling. They bring for you the highest in all. Sorry. Autofill. And there they are. They have also brought for you the lowest mark in all. So thank you for viewing. Thank you for liking and following. For those who have commented, I appreciate, and I'm going to improve and work on my weaknesses. And thank you so much. I continue to urge you to subscribe, follow, like my channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I remain Vita, aka that is Chadza. Thank you so much. I love you. May the Lord bless you.